In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can remove the background from a picture in Adobe Illustrator. So I have my picture here, and when I select my picture, you have several options to go by. You can use the Properties window to choose Remove Background. You can use a contextual taskbar to choose Remove Background, which if it isn't visible, you can go to Window and then check Contextual Taskbar. Or you can use, make sure you have it selected, you can use Object and then choose Remove Background as well. So let's do that. And now Illustrator will think, it will remove the background for you, it will create an embedded copy of your original file, and then, eventually, when it's finished, the background has been removed from your picture. And as you can see in the layers here, we have layer 1, and it is embedded, and it's a picture without the background. So it's really easy to remove a background from a picture in Adobe Illustrator just like that. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.